Bless you.
The facts in the back of his shirt, see him say?
No.
On his 21 point, yeah, smash it.
Fucking hell, there's some good indicators on that Merc, isn't they?
Yeah. Nice. The Audis, the brand new Audis look real.
That fucking tent.
I'm a curl over in the night, wouldn't you? Be on. Stay on the main road in the morning, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Is this Pifwelly then? Weird.
Going straight, isn't it? Yeah. That's the marina down there.
Oh, wow, look at all them boats.
Yeah, that's right. Plus we should have gone and had a look around the marina.
Yeah. They got Outer Harbour down there, Dave. I think we got to go. Yeah, what's on your ear? Here, have a sock. Coppers. Oh, police station.
It doesn't break then at all. Good shit.
What did that bloke say? The speed cameras all round here.
There's a lot everywhere, he was saying, didn't he? He said, like, you used to go out from a class. He said, you can't do that no more.
All right, then we'll keep to the speed limit then.
Wow, it's like speed gambling. You can't imagine all those speed cameras right in the country, can you?
I know there was two vans down here last week when we came.
Yeah. I mean, on the main drag you might, but...
There's a camera up here, isn't it? No, it's a sign. Have a sock, 499. You're alright for petrol?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What's it say here, Dave?
Shit.
Up and there on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's it, that'll do.
You know.
Beautiful. Feel like he's on his back.
Well, according to me thing, it's 27 degrees. That's 80, about 82. I don't know if it's that hot though. Oh, I can hear it now, bleeping in there.
What's that? The thing's on.
No, they're bleeping.
Yeah. That's quite well, isn't it?
Yeah. I just thought. I ain't brought a flipping plug battery charge. So see if we can get one of them today. The USB plug switches into electric. I ain't brought one.
See if it comes to it, we could charge these through this.
Yeah.
I got my thing on me, that's what I do it, but...
Yeah. I've got two old ones. They're fully charged. The two older ones,
Yeah.
mine and Kath's.
I mean, this is still working, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, bleeping now.
Yeah.
Bleeping awful. Oh. Fucking hell, I've got to fucking turn around here.
Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. I'll run mine back in a minute, Steve.
Alright, no problem. I was going to see if I could turn round, but I don't think I'll get round there.
Oh, you'll have to be hit the fucking Arctic. You'll have to be end up on the tail lift.
Yeah.
There you go, I'll take you, mate. Stay there. I'll just ride me. I should be able to get past it. Looks so comfy.
Are they? Where'd you get them from?
Helmet City.
Ah.
Is your thing still on then, Steve?
What?
Your camera.
Yeah.
See there. I want to get past. What if I know I've got out of here, so. Yes. Bloody Minnie Mouse. Stay there a minute, mate.
Alright.
It's okay.
There's a van coming, Dave. Behind you.
Gotcha.
Oh!
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dangle you go nuts. But where? You can't go that way, that's a car park.
No, up left.
Whistling sand? With me?
Yeah. Now, look down left.
Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Look there, baby.
All right.
Over, let's look at it. Hey! Thank you,
Oh, fucking hell, balls.
Alright.
Yeah. Had a bit of a back brake slider there.
It's bad for that,
Hey, there's a water coming, dust cart, isn't it?
See him. Oh, what the screen sometimes. Yeah, he's a bit, isn't he?
I ain't got a fucking clue, mate. I ain't got a Scooby fucking do. you kipper. You still there, Dave? Oh, fuck it. This is Aberaeron. Look at the views we got here. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think, right, focus, right out over there is Ireland. Probably won't see it on here. What a view. Beautiful. Focus. Flipping gorgeous up here. Davey. Excuse the wind. Davey.